Numerical Python or Numpy is an important package for scientific computation. Many Python packages make use of Numpy for array-based computations. Numpy provides ND array, an efficient multidimensional array for faster processing. The major highlight of Numpy is that it can do complex computation without the need for Python for loops. So in order to use Numpy, we need to first import the package called Numpy. The package Numpy does not come by default in Python, so you need to install it first. You can install Numpy by typing pip3 space install space Numpy in the command line. After installing Numpy, you can import it in a Python program by typing import Numpy as np. np is a standard name given when importing the package Numpy. So we will see how to create arrays. A Numpy array is a grid of values, all of the same type and is indexed by a tuple of non-negative integers. The number of the dimensions is called the rank of the array. The easiest way to initialize a Numpy array is using Python list, and the elements can be accessed using square brackets. So first we create a one-dimensional array, that is a rank 1 array with 3 elements 1, 2 and 3 using the Python list. So you can create one by typing nb.array in square bracket 1, 2, 3. So this will create a one-dimensional array and store it in the variable a. So if you print the a, you can see the values as 1, 2, 3. If you print the type of the array, you can see that it is a numpy.nd array. If you print the shape, it prints out a tuple 3, without any value. It says that the created Numpy array is a one-dimensional array with 3 values. You can access each of these values by giving it in square bracket. A of 0 means first value, that is 1. A of 1 means second value, that is 2. And A of 2 is third value, which is 3. So in order to create a rank 2 array, you can use toList separated by comma. So this will create a rank 2 array. Rank 2 means a two-dimensional array like this. So if you print the shape, you can see that it has got 2 rows and 3 columns. Square bracket notation can be used to access the elements. 0, 0 means, since it is a two-dimensional array, 0, 0 means the first element, that is 1. 0, 1 means the second element, that is 2. 0, 2 means the third element, that is 3. The next element is 1, 0, that is 4. Then next element is 1, 1, that is 5, and the next element is 1, 2, that is 6. So this is another way of creating an array with 3 rows and 1 column. So this create an array with 3 rows and 1 column. So if you print the shape, you can see that this 3, 1. 3, 1 means 3 rows and 1 column. So if you print A, you can see that the array created is like this. If you want to create one with 3 columns and 1 row, you need to create array like this with elements given in first double square bracket. So if you print this, you can see that this is the element created and shape will give you the shape, that is 1 row and 3 columns. Numpy also provides many functions to create ready-made arrays. For example, if you want to create an array of all zeros, you can use the method zeros, nb.zeros 2, 2. This will create a 2 by 2 array with all elements zeros. If you want to create one with all ones, you can use the method ones. nb.ones 2 by 2 gives a 2 by 2 array with all elements as ones. If you want to create a constant array, then you can use the method full. nb.full 2 by 2 comma 7 means it will create a 2 by 2 array with the constant value as 7. If you want to create a 2 by 2 identity matrix, you can use the method I. nb.I 2 gives a 2 by 2 identity matrix. So the elements are 1, 0 and 0, 1. If you want to create an array filled with random values, you can use the method random. So nb.random.random of 2 by 2 gives a 2 by 2 array with the elements created filled with the random values. So you can see that a 2 by 2 matrix is created with the random values.